pamimiti. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko naman muli. Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas everyone. Stay healthy, good vibes. Sending positivity to everyone. May you have a prosperous, bountiful 2025. Okay? Love you guys. Love you guys. Continue to be strong and healthy.